I am Inali, an undergraduate student attending the University of the Sunshine Coast Sippy Downs, currently in my third year of a Bachelor of Science program. In 2022, I was a recipient of the Summer Research Scholarship, sponsored by the Australian Centre for Pacific Island Research here at UniSC. My scholarship program was titled The Variability in Shellcraft Products and was supervised by UniSC staff Dr. Thane Millets and Professor Paul Southgate from the Tropical Aquaculture Research Group within ACPIR.
The focus of Inali's research was to examine variation in handmade shellcrafts produced by artisans from the Lubanggai region of Papua New Guinea. In this region, the sale of shellcrafts to tourists is an important livelihood activity for generating income. A better understanding of shellcraft variation both among production centers and artisans is critical for targeting interventions aimed at improving the quality of shellcrafts offered at tourist destinations.
In this research, my tasks involved a literature review of shellcraft or shell money production, from which I found that it was not well documented. An assessment of size, thickness, shape, color, and alignment of shell discs was also undertaken, and through this I found that I was able to closely look at the detail of each disc per strand per artisan. Examining and evaluating the intra and inter-individual quality of craftsmanship influenced product and quality. An analysis of data generated using our statistical program quantitatively evaluated variation. The highlight of this experience was being able to take part in a project that will be recognized as a preliminary foundation to which more research will be added. The impact of practical collection of data from shellcraft items has broadened my insight as to the intricate skills acquired by artisans. Learning about shellcraft allowed me to contribute to discussions with observational notes from my findings. Statistical information aided in being able to identify similarities or differences per individual based on their experience. Results showed that there was a significant amount of variation within artisans. The lack of consistency in the product meant that there could be improvement in the future. There was also a significant variation between individuals, meaning that each artisan has their unique style that is reflected in their shellcraft product.
As the HDR student mentor for this SRS program, it was a great experience to work alongside Inali. The fresh insight Inali brought to the study of shellcraft complemented my own research on the broader shellcraft sector in Papua New Guinea. Her enthusiasm and professionalism made the experience very enjoyable, and I look forward to mentoring future students with a similar passion in shellcraft.
Overall, I would highly recommend the ACPIR Summer Research Scholarship Program to future undergraduate students, as it offers an insight into being part of a research team and taught me everything involved in the research process. The highlight of this program was knowing that my efforts were contributing to an improved understanding of livelihoods that are significant to local communities in Papua New Guinea. I would like to acknowledge the following for the opportunity possible for participation in the 2022-23 SRS. Dr. Thane Millets, Professor Paul Southgate, PhD candidate Nitya Simad, the Australian Centre for Pacific Island Research, and the Tropical Aquaculture Research at the University of the Sunshine Coast.